This is Bomani Kamete. I am a teacher student studying mechanical engineering in Andhra University. I am from the kingdom of Lesotho. I have a dream to be an engineer, not only by qualification, but by skills and also having full knowledge of what I'm doing. Upon searching for the suitable place for my studies, I stumbled across Andhra University. I was captivated by their overall academic history, the educational background, and the experience the lecturers have. And I say to myself, this is the place for me to be. I am glad that I opted for this university. It is the best one can ever dream of. The study atmosphere, the green surroundings, the friendly people, it is everything I've ever hoped for. I have since made a difference. They show me around, they teach me different cultures, and I am learning their language too. They have since showed me to places like the beach, like Al-Zahari, Chakatamba Center, and they show me the malls. By the way, CMR Mall is the best. Culturally, they are remarkable. The food they eat, it's spicy but amazing. The way they dress is different and amazingly impressive. The study here at Andhra University is interestingly good. I really enjoyed a lot when we had physical classes, but it's a little different now, and it is clearly taking a lot of time to get back to normal. The management here is great, they truly are considerate, and we are humbled to be under such administration. I believe I'll be ready and I'll be equipped into the best engineer of all time by the time I get to graduate. I sincerely hope that this pandemic will leave us and it will be over soon. Thank you all.
Guys, this is Jahnavi Patapu from Mechanical Department of Andhra University College of Engineering. I'm glad to be a student of AU. Who won't choose AU for building their career as it provides the best infrastructure, facilities and curriculum for all-round development of a student. And I stayed in the campus for a very short period of time. Even in this short period of time, I felt like that I'm staying in my own home. This is because of the environment of the campus, professors, principals, seniors, and full of friends. I learned a lot in the campus and learned many things. And I'm very eager to come back to campus and have those things and learn many things, etc. I'm expecting from AU that I will have a good life and good memories with everyone and make better friends, etc. And by the day I step out from AU, I wanted to become an independent person and with a great memories from AU. And at last, I want to thank you all and stay safe, stay healthy.
Hey guys, Namaste. I'm Chandani Aishwarya Devi Bundu studying first year in the Department of Instrumentation Technology. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity for sharing my experience through the first year in this prestigious university, Andhra University. Well, the thought of getting into this university began in my 10th grade. I always thought of getting into the university which supported my dream of becoming a civil servant and also encouraged my passion of becoming a basketball player. Well, AU gave me everything. I had many memories made in a couple of few days with my lovable seniors, experienced faculty, large classrooms and lab with all the necessary equipments and library with I can say all the editions in the world. I really miss my college days due to COVID, but our principal, Professor P. Srinivas Rao sir, and our first year coordinator, Mr. Paul Douglas sir, are taking measures to keep us united through online modes like Zoom meetings, clubs, etc. who are helping seniors. Finally, I can say that after my graduation, I'll be industry ready with all the relevant knowledge gained from the university. And I also believe that I'll be a better human with all the courage and confidence to face the real world and achieve my dreams. Thank you.
Hi guys, Ellarku Vanakkam. I'm Sri, studying in first year BTech in Chemical Engineering, Andhra University of College of Engineering, which is the most prestigious college of engineering. Today, just given a chance to share a bit of my experience in my college life. As I experienced my college life only for a few days, even though I just have a lot of memories in those few days, and the faculty, it's the best faculty, and they taught me a lot. All the HODs and the principal, vice principal, many of them, they just give many morals and knowledge within the short span of time. And coming to missing to my college life, and everyone misses their college life, and I miss my college, my past mates, classmates, and seniors, and I even miss Vizag city also. Hope we can get together within a small time. And thanks for giving me this chance. Stay safe, stay home.
Hello everyone, myself I am Yakshit from the Department of EC. I am here to give few words about our prestigious Andhra University College of Engineering and my beautiful experiences in the first semester. Coming to the Andhra University College of Engineering, it's the best and topmost engineering college in the state of Andhra Pradesh. It also produced many finest and very talented engineers to the society. Coming to my experiences in the first semester, on the first day of the college itself, I had made many friends who are wonderful. As the days go on, I understood that the university campus gives us a lot of freedom to think out of the box, which helps me to reach my goal to be a great engineer in the society. Coming to the faculty members, they are very great. Their teaching style helps us to gain knowledge within the class itself. Apart from academics, there are many social clubs like NCC, NSS, AU United Club, English Club, Cultural Club, etc. As of now, I am eagerly waiting to go to my college to have fun with my friends and lead a great college life. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Yo guys, this is Maurya. I choose Andhra University because of its value in degree. I want to pursue my studies in abroad, so with the help of this degree, I thought I can go wherever I want, I can do whatever I want. So that's it. I took the chance and I joined in Andhra University. And the online classes are going pretty well. The faculty members and management are working hard as they can. And I'm eagerly waiting for offline classes to go on. I miss roaming in college and I miss hanging out with my friends. And I spent 1 month in college, and those were the beautiful moments of my days, entire life. So that's it. And in coming 4 years, I'm thinking that Andhra University will become my second home and my fun zone. And you might be seeing me after graduating in top universities doing masters. And I'm very interested in filmmaking. That's it.
Hello, good morning. I'm Pedro Sanga from Angola. Wow. First of all, thank you for this opportunity to express myself. Yeah, starting from the time I have been in Andhra University, it has been great. Unfortunately, the offline class was very short, but still I had great moment, great feedback from lectures, even better with the classmate, which at the beginning was a bit weird, but yeah, things work out and still work out because I have very good and open book. So it has been very good. And about the expectation, I always say that before I ask from someone to do more for me, first I have to do it myself, because I think it all starts with me. So my expectation a lot and I dream big. So, but everything starts with myself. Because I believe from the time I have been attending classes, since the offline, I could see that the university, the college itself has everything ready for us as students. So the expectation is more myself working hard, doing my best, and advance the knowledge so that in the future, when I leave under university, I feel satisfied. So about the expectation, it works out with me. Thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. I am Pratika Satya from Chemical Engineering. From my childhood, I used to listen to the inspiring legacy of failure. As said by Robert Ingersoll, a college is a place where pebbles are polished and diamonds are dimmed. Assuming myself as a pebble, I walked into this university. Virtual classes are quite boring as we miss the crazy stuff we do in our classes. Yeah, definitely very much excited to be in person classes as I can enjoy the university life and also the beauty of Island. Probably the best memorable days of my life. Well, I might be working in one of the topmost PSUs or will be preparing for civils. Thank you all. Stay home and stay safe.
Hello guys, I am Altaf. I am studying engineering in Andhra University in the Department of Information Technology. Coming to this university, it's one of the biggest and oldest universities in India. What? The biggest university? How big is this? 20 acres, 30 acres, 50 acres? No, you are wrong. The whole university is of 600 acres. With highly equipped labs and libraries, this university is better than some of so-called prestigious IITs and NITs. The professors here are PhD holders. I am a student who believes that extracurricular activities are so important for a student. Keeping this in mind, Andhra University has established so many clubs like sports, dance, music, and Communicons, the Communication Club. My expectations from this university is getting a good placement record. I hope it will come true. So this is my experience regarding this universities. Stay home, stay safe, and Jai Hind.
హలో అండి, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? అందరూ ఇంట్లో హెల్తీగా సేఫ్గానే ఉన్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. నా పేరు విజయ్, నేను వైజాగ్ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. సో ఐఎమ్ హియర్ టు స్పీక్ ఫ్యూ గోల్డెన్ వర్డ్స్ అబౌట్ ఆంధ్ర యూనివర్సిటీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. So I chose my engineering in Andhra University because the tradition and culture and the historical value of Andhra University attracted me more. I spent nearly only 1 month in my college, but those few days really felt like few years. And I am expecting a wonderful memories for the next 3 years. But due to this pandemic situation, I am really missing my college. And after 4 years, I am expecting good knowledge, education, and a nice job. So at last, అందరూ ఇంట్లో సేఫ్గా ఉండండి, బయటకు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళకండి, స్టే హోమ్, స్టే హెల్తీ.
అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మా కాలేజ్ గురించి నేను ఒక పాట పాడబోతున్నాను. పాదమెట్టపోతున్నా పయనమెందాకైనా అడుగు తడబడుతున్నా తోడు రానా చిన్ని ఎడబాటైనా కంట తడి పెడుతున్నా గుండె ప్రతిలయలోన నేను లేనా ఒంటరైనా ఓటమైనా వెంట నడిచే నీడవేనా ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ తడి కన్నులనే తుడిచిన నేస్తమా ఓ మై ఫ్రెండ్ ఒడిదుడుకులలో నిలిచిన స్నేహమా.
Hi, I'm Indu Bhavana from EC department. I would like to share some of my experiences in Andhra University. I joined this college by seeing the NIRF ranking and to see the Vizag city. But upon reaching here, I learned that there are more interesting things than that. I enjoyed a lot in offline classes. Because of this pandemic situation, now conducting online classes, I did not think these classes would go well. But the lecturers are teaching very well and conducting extra classes for giving more knowledge to students. Even though these online classes are boring when compared with offline classes, I am eagerly waiting for the reopen of the university. After reopening the university, I want to live my life in this university with good friends and improving my knowledge. After completion of my studies in this university, I want to complete higher studies in abroad and do a good job in India. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanka, a fresher from the AAA department, would like to share my experience about AU, a well-renowned institute in the city of Destiny with enriched faculty, a multidisciplinary university, and the strong alumni speaks all about why we all choose AU. The faculty here is highly qualified, supportive, and interactive. Though this pandemic has moved us all into this virtual world, our academics are going pretty well, except that we are missing the typical engineering stuff. In-person classes have some specific emotion which makes us more excited to prefer them over the virtual one. As the graduation period is an important phase in everyone's life, we too have elevated expectations over it, as it is a place for fun destination, practical academics, co-curricular activities and whatnot. And I'm pretty sure that AU will satisfy all of this. Our HOD Sir Dr. G.V. Shivakrishna Rao Garu is putting all his efforts in conducting webinars and interactive sessions with the distinguished alumni and eminent personalities from all over the world so that we get exposure to career opportunities. Like all others, even I too wanted to get a professional job wherein I can learn and grow as an individual. And I'm pretty sure that my university will mold me into something great and give me a confidence to achieve anything in life. Finally, thank you. Flatten the curve by staying at home and stay safe.
Warm wishes to each and everyone. I hope you're all doing good and are safe. My name is S. Gaurish and I'm doing my first year of mechanical engineering in Andhra University. I feel glad to be the student of Andhra University because it's the oldest university in Andhra Pradesh and it has a great history and a strong alumni. I have joined Andhra University because of its divine exposure with diversities. But unfortunately, because of the COVID situation right now, we are having virtual classes through which we are missing student life and losing the divine exposure given by the university. But I am eagerly waiting for the offline sessions so that I can do infinite productive things in my university and have a great interaction with my seniors, my esteemed professors and my panel mates. And I also expect and I think that Andhra University will graduate me as a student the world needs and help me reach greater heights in my life. Once again, thanking you. This is S. Gaurish from first year mechanical branch, Andhra University. Thank you.
Hi, namaste. this is Suresh, graduating at City of Destiny. It's me being proud to be made in Andhra University student. I came to know that Andhra University is home for self-developing talents. Soon after my AMCET exam, the brand of Andhra University pulled me towards it. Every moment I experienced in Andhra University is saved to my sweet memory gallery for future life. I came to know that Andhra University is the best chilling spot for young dynamics and future brilliance. In this AU Fun Play Store, we have different applications like canteen charting, cricket batting, online dating, hostel dieting with 5-star rating. In this Andhra University, we used to have a lot of fun in playgrounds. In the upcoming 4 years, my study clock should be without backlog alarms, with a lot of disturbing friends, and with besties who are beautiful but not with beauty. Finally, I want to be a perfect pass out from the legendary university to serve my nation. The students are loyal and university is royal.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. This is Gayatri Vadparthi and I'm here to share my experience as a fresher in Andhra University. Actually, I'm interested in computer science and I was a little disappointed when I first missed a chance of getting into IIT for computer science. But fortunately, I have secured a seat in this prestigious university. Apart from all other colleges and universities, I have chosen this university because of its reputation and heritage. Well, when I first entered into this college, I was really nervous and I'm with a feeling of uncertainty of what lies ahead. But within a short span of time, I have met many friends and I just felt it as a second home. And I'm really missing those in-person classes, those blackboards, the chit-chats with friends. These are a way far ahead from these Google Meet and online classes. These are boring and we really miss those days where we used to do different things every day. 4 days ahead from these days, I wanna go ahead in computer science and I would like to do a great job, which is my dream job. And let's see where my talent takes me. Finally, I have no words left to say except saying a big thank to all of you. Keep smiling.
Hello all, I am R. Rupaishwarya from Civil Engineering Department. Today I would like to share my thoughts and experience about Andhra University. The reason why I chose Andhra University because it's an eminent and prestigious university and it's also my family legacy to be part of Andhra University's alumni. Although we have spent only a month in the campus, we have experienced a different and beautiful world over there. My hobby is to play guitar and my goal is to crack UPSC. And I'm very sure that being an Andhra University student makes it much easier because it provides us with a huge library and our professors are ready to help us not only with the academics but also in ethics, morals and principles. So I would love to thank our principal Professor P. Srinivas Rao sir, first year coordinator Paul Douglas sir and Civil Engineering Department HOD TV Praveen sir. Our university is also leading in cultural activities and social awareness programs with the help of clubs AU United and Community Cons. For that, we are very grateful to our seniors who have been guiding us in organizing events even in these tough times in virtual platform. University days are definitely look back days in every student's life. But here we are in this pandemic, separated by distance yet united by spirit. But I am very sure that every student is looking forward to get back to the university. We are literally craving for university's vibes. Thank you everybody.
Hello everyone. I am very glad to have this opportunity. Myself, Gunaharshita Rulla, pursuing BTech first year as Metallurgical Engineer in Andhra University of College of Engineering. It's a dream for many aspirants to get a seat in this prestigious university, and I am lucky to be one of them. As we all know, this is one of the toppest universities among all other universities. This literally made me to be part of this university, and its environment grabbed all my attention. Due to pandemic, we have spent meager days in our college, but these days we have spent together were simply amazing. We have got the best, well-qualified and experienced professors who guide us in right path, and they cherish our mindset very gently and friendly. And our seniors guide us and help us whenever there is need. And I also have hostel experience
where literally I felt as home, and where all of us worked together and enjoyed together. The day I will be stepping out of our university, I want to be independent, with brain filled with knowledge and innovative ideas, and heart filled with memories and happiness. Thanking you all. Hope everyone doing great. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Hello everyone, this is Aikiraj Kamal from Geoengineering, Bombay 4. We all had so many dreams to fulfill it. There are many ways to fulfill it, and I do have so many goals, but the main goal is in future I want to see my parents happy. That's my first dream, first goal too. And the main purpose of joining in Andhra University is my dad. He had a dream to study in Andhra University, but he can't. But now I fulfill her dream now. And I heard about this in 10th class only, because my elder brothers and my elder brother friends, so many members studied in Andhra University South Campus, like MSc, etc. By the way, I heard so many things. And I'm taking informatics because it's a different course I learned, so I'm taking this. And I am so happy to join here too. And the faculty, main thing, they are awesome, because they are not only faculty, they are being like friends, more than a friends, to say, like a second father and second mother for us. And next, to say about Andhra University, there are many branches and many things and to learn and to do. There are many things here to learn about society, about world, etc. The first thing, the firstmost one is library. You can get anything there. There are more than 15 lakhs books there. It is the biggest library in India, and there are many clubs here to enjoy, to study, for study purpose, and to enjoy, and for so many, like dance club, community club, etc. etc. And to say about friends, they are such a, I got in a diamond friends, because they are awesome. I missed them a lot because of this pandemic. We enjoyed a lot there, and we can easily fulfill our dreams here by so many ways, from faculty, from library, from our seniors, brothers. We can easily fulfill our dreams, and we can easily clarify our doubts, all of them. That's it. And who are studying in Andhra University, stay home, stay safe, and all the best for your future. And wish me best of luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Nikhila pursuing my first year of BTech in Petrochemical from Andhra University College of Engineering, the home of arts and culture in the beach city of Vizag. I feel this privilege sharing my words about my college, the Andhra University, and my journey to this college is of very hardship. And I never thought of entering into this university. But my choice of entering this university among all the colleges is because of its pleasant atmosphere, and it was one of the oldest university in the country, and it was also the best government college in UP. Well, keeping aside all its rankings and reputations aside, this college has people with very rich heritage and excellent knowledge. Not only in education, cultural and technical clubs are very active in this college. Student societies are organized by the students, and programs like cultural, technical, management, NCC and NSS are organized. And our university consists of very vast library, and our professors are ready to help us not only in academics but also in ethics. The administration of my college was so amazing and very cooperative. My first day of my college was amazing. They gave me a good vibe which made me feel like a second home. At my first day itself, my mind sounds to have a look around the whole university, and me along with my friends roamed around the university. After seeing my university, and I felt very happy by seeing the infrastructure of this university. The college is around 600 acres along with highly equipped labs, libraries along with the playgrounds. Not only administration but our seniors are also very friendly with us. they mentally supported us during our hard times, and we are very grateful for our seniors who are guiding us in organizing the events even in these tough times. And the cultural clubs in our universities are conducting some events through online mode so that we people can have entertainment even in this lockdown period. So finally, I was really missing my college friends, hostel days, and my seniors a lot. So every student of this university was looking forward to get back to those college days and to make a beautiful memories in this academic year. So stay home, stay safe. Once again, thank you one and all. This is Nikhila from first year Petrochemical. Thank you.
Hello guys, hope everyone is safe and sound. I'm K. Sai Krishna, pursuing my first year of BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Andhra University College of Engineering in Vizag, City of Destiny. Today I am here to share my experience in 1 month offline course of Andhra University. Andhra University was established in 1926, which makes it one of the oldest universities in India. As we know that old is gold, AU isn't just some place to study. It is full of life. It is a paradise for nature lovers like me. And I am very lucky to join them. We have a big central library which has so many books and which is one of the biggest and oldest libraries in India. We have a super central canteen in which the food quality is top notch. The grounds and gymnasium are a perfect place for students who strive for sports side and grow physically. Our professors are highly qualified and very informative, very polite, and they will always help students achieve anything. Mainly our EEE department HODs are Dr. G.V. Sivakrishna Rao Garu is coming with numerous ideas and he will always try his level best to bring out the innovation out of a student. He conducts webinars, conducts meets and always be with us and he will mingle with us easily. And our principal sir P. Srinivas Rao Garu is a very good supporter. Our coordinator Dr. Paul Douglas sir is like an asset to us. With all the super faculty of AU, one can easily become something in life. It is a perfect place to go mentally and physically, as it has almost every resource a student needs in order to become a perfect one. Within the span of 1 month, we made unforgettable memories with my friends, and I got the confidence that this university will mold me into a very good moral citizen. I am really missing my college because of this pandemic, and I am hoping this pandemic ends soon so I can meet up with everyone and make many more memories like this. Thank you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Stay home and stay safe.
Hello everyone. My name is Malcolm Boka. I am an African from Ethiopia. In 2021, I got a scholarship opportunity to study at Andhra University in pursuit of Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology at the College of Engineering. I am sponsored by Indian Council of Cultural Relationship. Andhra University is located in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, India. After I arrived on the campus, I was given heartfelt welcome by college staff members. Here, since my arrival here, they have been so generous when it comes to providing guidance, directions, and the counsels. The instruction staffs are so experienced and well versed in providing needed education and knowledge. Moreover, they continuously strive for all students, including international students, to fully understand the lesson. They are easily reached for inquiries and further explanation even after and before the class. Their kindness and their love are things that I never forget. So I learned. In addition to the available technologies, the available libraries, the available laboratories, and the Indian online education materials provided for extra classes and research purposes. The interpersonal relationship between us, the students, and the teachers have increased my desires to acquire the best of knowledge. For me, My achievement at Andhra University is not only knowledge, but also friendship. I have the privilege to enjoy a lifetime experience in this college with many of my friends who are both Indians and other international students from different countries concerning especially in Africa. We have great times together. Our interactions range from sharing food, culture, languages, etc. So thus enabling me to learn the beauty of diversity. My expectation is that at the end of my studies, I will have gained sufficient knowledge in my field of studies both theoretically and practically. Additionally, I wish to establish a network of friends across the globe inclusive of my colleges, international students from different countries as well as the Indians. The knowledge to be gained will be used upon return to portray the effort of my government in shaping the destiny of my country. The network is to be established will also be used to create meaningful programs. Back home that will benefit my people as well. Finally, my presence at Andhra University has provided me great experience and has given me a wider insight of what the world is and has increased my desire to make the world a better place. Therefore, thank you Andhra University, and also thank you the workers, the members of the college's staff. I would like to again thank you. Thank you very much.